My name is Jeff Amon, and welcome to this overview of the Internet Income System. The fastest way to get to four figures per month on the internet. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, if you're interested in 100% commissions, if you're interested in earning fast, you need to make sure to watch this video to the very end because it's very special. It's a very special opportunity here, guys. And you might see a headline above this video that says, um, that we want to take you to at least $1,000 per month. We can help you get to at least $1,000 per month in the next 30 days. That's actually lowballing things, ladies and gentlemen. And I also realize that perhaps you've probably seen hundreds of these types of headlines before, and you don't believe them anymore because there's a lot of just nonsense out there. There's a lot of hyped up headlines. There's a lot of people who are writing false headlines about certain programs, about what you can possibly earn with programs, and they're just not based on reality. They just pick a number out of the air that sounds good and they throw it in a headline. I am lowballing the number $1,000. All right, I am lowballing that because what you're about to see here with the Internet Income System is that you can get to much more than $1,000 in 30 days. For example, guys, as you can see here, $12,520 in sales.